Welcome to Frontline Image. On this episode, we're here at the Lake Cowichan A&W, where in just a few hours, this parking lot here will be full of cool cars. It's going to be a great time. We're going to first be visiting the Vancouver Island Motorsport Circuit, where cars will be welcomed, doing a parade lap around the track, and then cavalcade all the way through Lake Cowichan to this location. We're here with Ruby Rogers.
It's Ruby!
So, Paul, what's happening here?
Well, what we've done is we've created a super hot rod and bike event in association with A&W Lake Cowichan and the Vancouver Island Motorsport Circuit. And we felt that this 75th anniversary year, we could put it on steroids and really have everybody come and spend a great day at the circuit, and also then come down to Lake Cowichan for a nice cavalcade and to do a show down there.
All right, we're here at the Vancouver Island Motorsport Circuit, and we're getting the marshalling together for the cavalcade and the parade lap that will happen here in just about an hour after all the cars assemble for the A&W, the Lake Cowichan A&W car show.
Yeah, don't make me start a riot. Don't make me start a riot. Public defender, I got an issue with you.
Right on. We're here with Ruby Rogers. And can you tell us a little bit about how you got into the club and what you like about the club?
It's my husband is the president, and we started the Dirty Devils Rat Rod Car Club. And I, for the first year, I grew up in the car scene. My dad was the president of a big club, van club in Mississauga. So I've been doing this all of my life. We need to dress up, us girls. The rat rods obviously were made they're like after the war, and they were made because there wasn't enough money around, and the whole jalopy thing was. So I'm like, let's sort of dress era like, and that's sort of how us pinup girls actually got started. And I think my very most favorite thing about our club is that we interact with little people. You know what? It's nothing like standing and hearing there's the Dirty Devils, because the little kids come and they get their pictures taken in the cars and whatnot. And the other day I was in the grocery store, and I have to tell you this little girl, I was just shopping in my local grocery store, not dressed up as Ruby. I was me, Janice. Mm-hmm. And I hear this little girl from the end of the grocery aisle, "It's Ruby!" And her mom's like, "Yes, it is." And she goes, "I recognized your pink hair." And I was like, "Oh." So we did actually a posing tutorial right in the cracker section of Country Grocer.
That's awesome.
Yes, her mom took some pictures, and I told her we'd be down here. So I'm hoping that they'll pop by. I know they had lots on the go this
So
week.
there is a positive influence that you can have on
Absolutely.
the crowds. once again at the A&W, and if you check around, or while we check around, we can see the parking lot on the other side of the road at Saywell Park. Across there, everything is full of hot rods and classic cars. It's incredible. There's more people than ever, and the owner operator of the A&W got this together, is totally happy about the success of this. They are so pleased at the success of this that this is the best one that they've seen here for a long time. Now, you had a band here.
We did have a band this year for the first time ever.
What was the band's name?
Hell's Cats.
5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, around 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, around. We're going around the clock tonight. Push it on, lights on.
I wanna call your mind. I'll be patient if you got time, and I'll wait for every night you're on my mind, lighting fires and drinking wine. Give me time to I require every night I wonder. Have you got me on your mind? Have you got
Well, that wraps it up for Frontline Image. That was a fantastic show. Incredibly, the rain held out for this A&W Lake Cowichan car show. Yeah, I'm happy to be here, stoked. All the people who work towards getting this as a success, well, you've done it. It's an incredible thing, and we couldn't have done it without you. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.